China is stepping up its radiation monitoring following the explosions at a nuclear plant in Japan. The explosions have caused a spike in radiation levels, leading to fears it could even affect neighboring countries. China Report has more.
Japan's Fukushima Daiichi nuclear plant has been hit by 4 explosions. The Japanese government says levels of radiation released by damaged reactors are high enough to threaten human health in the immediate area. Radiation levels were so high, workers who had been trying to bring the site under control were withdrawn. The unfolding disaster has prompted concerns that leakage from the plant could impact on neighbouring countries, including China. As a result, monitoring stations in East China were ordered to conduct around-the-clock surveillance of air and seawater. As of 4 p.m. Tuesday, the Ministry of Environmental Protection says no abnormal levels of radioactive substances have been found. At the Shanghai Radiation Environmental Monitoring Station, supervision work is in full swing.
We increased the frequency of monitoring, which was conducted every 1 or 2 months before.
Wang says no pollution has been detected so far.
According to the latest data, there's no obvious change in the radioactivity level in Shanghai.
Shanghai authorities will inform the public of any dangers in the case of contamination, were it to be affected. In northeast China's Liaoning province, inspectors are going to airports to check whether goods transported from Japan have been contaminated by radiation. China's quality watchdog Tuesday night ordered the country's entry ports to strengthen monitoring of radioactive substances. China's meteorological authority announced on Tuesday the nuclear radiation leakage in Japan would not affect China over the next 3 days. It forecasts the quake-hit regions in Japan would mostly see rainy weather starting from Tuesday night to Wednesday. Rains would be conducive to the fallout of radioactive leakages and thus would help reduce the impact, they said. An expert team with China's National Nuclear Emergency Coordination Committee said Tuesday the radiation substances won't pose threats to Chinese people after being diluted in the atmosphere and the ocean. Nuclear experts have called on the public to remain calm and read up on what precautionary measures to take if nuclear leaks were reported.